Hi, Brandon from Metra Electronics, and today we're going to be unboxing the Metra PowerSports MPS-AMP200-2D. Let's get into it. Yes. Get that out of here. All right, so get that out. Get that. Get that. Alrighty, so let's see the amp itself first. We have our 10-pin waterproof connector. Here we have your speaker wires, about 20 inches of speaker wire already plugged into the amp, and 8 feet of power and ground cable. Now, like I said, with the speaker wires, everything's already plugged into the amp to keep the amp water resistant at an IPX6 rating. So that's the amp itself, everything that stays plugged in there. Here we have the 8-foot 10-pin extender in case the install is spread out of the vehicle. You can go from the back of the vehicle to the front, wherever your amp is going to be, and then wherever your control is going to be, your Bluetooth control, radio control, go from there. Here we have a couple things. And here we have the universal breakout cable with our 10-pin connector on one side. And like I said, this is universal, so you can go to any other Bluetooth modular or radio. So you can plug that in. Here is another cool feature with this. We have our fuse box. It comes with a nice little Allen key and right there to lock in your fuses. So on any terrain, you won't be rattling around your fuses and accidentally have one pop out. Bag of screws for mounting the amp. Bag of terminal rings. And wire ties to keep the install nice and clean. So it's actually kind of safe to say that you won't need any sort of amp kit when you buy this. It basically is the amp and the amp kit all in one, all built in. And last but not least, we have your owner's manual with your 1-year limited warranty. For any more information on this product or other brands, you can visit us at metraonline.com, find us on Facebook, and follow us on Instagram. Thank you for choosing Metra Electronics. We are 12 volt.